Check out this Ram 2015 1500 Lone Star. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, charge-only remote USB port, GPS antenna input, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 5.0 AM/FM BT, air conditioning, power steering and power windows. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.